What we're doing here tonight is we're bringing the radio show to life, but with you actively participating with us. I think we all do the best we can.
Lord knows I have enough skeletons in my closet, and she has never judged me, and I love you for it.
What if every time you got triggered, you had an opportunity to grow and enhance your life and your experience?
Deep down, people have a need to be liked, like a desire to be liked in some way, shape, or form.
That's not healthy. But let's get real. It's about communication breakdowns. I want you to look at all of the picture, not just the physical. How are they showing up in the world?
Gotta take
their
the blinders
values
off.
the same?
And a lot of people do that. They get like so focused on one thing.
It is so common, especially in sex, for one partner to think it is your job to make this happen, and I'm just gonna wait. I'm still waiting. How many of you have played these games? Let's talk about commitment. When you reject imperfection in others, what you're really saying is that you're rejecting imperfection in yourself. And what I've found is that once we give the truth a voice, we can't take it as seriously. It doesn't mean it's not significant, but we can't make it so serious that it stops us from moving forward in our life. So go look at what it is that you're wanting for your life, what you currently have set up, and get a coach.